In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to Shopify POS. Whether you're a seasoned merchant or new to the world of online retail, managing your inventory and making it available in your store is crucial. So, let's dive in and explore how you can seamlessly add products to your Shopify point of sale in just a few minutes. To get started, first, open your preferred web browser and search for Shopify. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, log into your account using your credentials. Now, once you're in, direct your attention to the main dashboard. Here, you'll want to navigate to the Products section, which you can find in the left-hand sidebar. This is essentially the heart of your product management in Shopify. Now, within the Products section, you're going to click on the option that says Add Product. This is where the magic happens. Enter a title for your new product, along with any additional details such as a description, price, and any other relevant information that will help customers understand what you're selling. Remember, being descriptive here can make a big difference in how attractive your product is to potential buyers. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, you'll want to click Save. This ensures all the information you've entered is safely stored in your Shopify account. But we're not quite done yet. It's time to assign this new product to your POS location. So, back in the Products section, go ahead and select the product you just added. When you're on the Products page, scroll down until you find the Sales Channels and Apps section. Next, click on Manage. This is where you'll connect your product to your point-of-sale sales channel. Simply check the box beside it to make the product available in your store. After that, click Done. But don't close the product page just yet. We need to ensure that your product has inventory assigned to your POS location. Once again, scroll down, but this time to the Inventory section. Here you'll find the option to Edit Locations. Click on it, and you'll be able to enter the quantity of the product you want to have available at your physical store location. Finally, just click Save, and there you have it. Your product is now ready and available for sale in your Shopify POS system. With just a few simple steps, you've integrated new inventory directly into your sales processes, making your operations just that bit smoother. Whether you're preparing for a big launch or just adding a few new items, this method keeps everything streamlined and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!